During the sunny day, a poor man goes to another country to do farming as a job. You know about it. The poor countries send qualified people across the globe to do farming in other countries to understand the agriculture production, to understand the agriculture issues, work on their culture, difference, productions, etc. So the man who's qualified and he's educated one in his family goes to earn more money in another developed country. He do odd jobs while coming to this rich country to gain some money and survive in the rich country and send some money to his family at his hometown in another country, which is the poorest in the world. So one day what happened, he do odd jobs, do extra some odd jobs and work in agriculture, and he is suffering from a number of financial setbacks, and then that's the reason he go to rich country while taking a loan from his relatives. Once he goes landed over there, he start working in agriculture as a farmer, because in his own country the country is based on agriculture, but due to natural calamities get affected to his country. There is a dryness in the soil. The rain doesn't have a frequently, so the whatever productions in agriculture has got affected, and due to that he is having a more loan, and apart from that he has to recover from financial losses. So he took a loan from his relative and go to other country to earning it. One day the farmer is doing a farming during the e- afternoon. There is too hot weather. The farmer is doing farming in his own farm, and another one, his friend is doing another job, another farm. He's pick up the fruits, etc. And this farmer is putting seeds in the soil to grow it. So unexpectedly there is a man came, and he bring his airplane with him, the small airplane, which is having less than 10 people can sit in that. It's a small plane come helicopter kind of thing. So we can say helicopter. So that person has took a very small airplane, like a airbus we can say. And that man asked him, would you like to come with me on the world tour? I'm going to travel to other countries to see other countries from this airbus. So would you like to come? The farmer say, no, I don't want it to come with you. I have my job to do farming and earn money and send to my family, my son, my daughter, and my wife and my parents to survive in my country, repay my loan. So I have a lot of job responsibilities, family responsibilities, so I can't come with you on world tour. The farmer said to that man that I can't come with you, and that man is agree. He smiled towards his farmer, and he goes to his friends, the farmer friend who is working in another land. And he said, look, I asked your friend and he's stupid, he's crazy, he's not interested to come along with me world tour. Would you like to come with me on a world tour? I will show you number of countries. I will share your food. I will do this. I will do that. And that man say, wow, I will get some good thing. I will have a world tour with this guy, and it is free of cost. So he say, okay, dude, I can come with you. Another farmer is become more and more happy that he is going on a world tour. He called to his friend, family members, and tell everybody that he is going to on world tour with free Airbus cost. And suddenly what happened, he has get into the Airbus, and that man and his farmer friend has goes to via Airbus on a world tour. In between, what happened, the fuel has ended, and that a Airbus get crashed even in the desert. And now both of them doesn't have any money to survive in desert. Both of them has landed in desert where there is no person is available to give them a food or give them a water even. And then he say, what is happening with me, why I'm in a desert? I was in the greenery eating a free of cost food, fruit, everything, but I, why God you landed me in this nonsense desert where nothing is there? Then God, and that suddenly that man is also disappear who take him along with him in a desert. And then that man say, how I'll survive in this desert? God, please, please, I need water to survive in this country. Then God said, look, I ask you something on a world tour, and unexpectedly this incident happened. Now you have to survive in the desert and let me know. And this is the dry city. See, he said, God, this is a dry city. I came from the green city. The God said, this is your fate, okay? When you see more and more expectations, you fall in the false thing. And the God, it's airplanes. Suddenly, everything disappear, and then man, as farmer friend, has landed into the desert itself, and his life become as a beggar in the desert. So what happened, the God came back to the first farmer and say, would you like to come along with me on a world tour? I'm asking second time, and meet your friend how he is surviving. Then the first farmer say, I don't bother about my so-called friend. I'm not interested in his life. He is more interested in a lavish life. He's more interested in world tour. But still I have responsibility of my parents and their education and my wife and my kids and my children's, my daughter, etc. So I can't come along with you. I am a busy in farming. I need to grow these seeds and get more production and food and do the charity for poor people in my family, in my hometown itself, because the peoples are in my country doesn't have a food to eat twicely in the day. So I have to give them a sponsor them education. I have to become a bigger man in my country. So the God said that you are having a very big dream, you are doing very hard work, so God will give it to you something in returns. And then he said, I don't need anything from the God. I just need some rain in my country. I must pray for the rain in my country where my all childhood friend or everyone can beat this inflation pricing eating issues. I mean, if agriculture falls, then what will happen? The food price will go high, people can't able to eat, then there is a lot of issues happen, etc., etc. So I want God should balance the natural calamities. This is my pray to God and tell him. Then I'm saving my money for the society, and I will send it all money to my hometown, and everyone will become happy, and I will, whatever I will get a pride from them is my only award and reward. Okay, I don't need money from you, I don't need anything from you. And the farmer said to the God. And after some time, the suddenly play that man has go up to certain amount of time, and he disappears in the sunshine. While the man was growing, giving the water to the soil. Suddenly, one of the airplane has passing from his farm, and it has dropping the gold coin in his farm only. So the man has collected those gold coin and put it in the bag, and he go to the another city and he sell out all those gold coin, and he get lot of money. Then he do bank transfer to the his own country itself. The go then and put it the charitable trust over in his own country to do sponsorship for the education. Then natural calamities recovery money to all the peoples from his hometown, get money to buy the some seeds and start regrowing. And what restoration services implementation, that person has start doing techniques in the soil in his hometown, while sending all the technicality to his own country, and in his own town, and everyone knows he's in his own town. Everyone know this man is doing a great job in his own city, means in his home city, okay, where his parents are living and kids are living, and everybody have a faith that this man is like a God sent man. He's like a saint to everyone, but he is not a saint to everyone. He is just a good person of the city. And then God feel proud to this farmer and becomes a happy. And when after few days later his friends comes from the desert and said, one day I went to world tour, and what happened, my airplane get crashed and I lost myself in the soil, and after 2 years I'm returning to this farming occupation with you again. I came back. So that person has described the whole journey to the farmer, and the farmer has laughed and he said, if you think in a short time everything you will achieve, then this is not happen, because God teach you number of lessons. So so then Kittu has finished her this chapter, Charity of Farmer, and she feel how the farmer can change even the life of his own hometown people without doing much great thing as like politician. But farmer can be do start charitable trust, that is Kittu has learned from her book. So it's all about how the Kittu learn the lesson, how the farmer even can do better thing for the society.